start with a shocking fact. Picture this, a world where you could lose up to 15 kilograms in just 2 weeks. Sounds too good to be true? Well, believe it or not, it's possible with the power of juicing. Yes, you heard that right. Juicing. Welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into the 10 best juices for rapid weight loss. These nutrient-packed beverages could be the secret weapon you've been seeking on your journey to a healthier, slimmer you. First up, we have the green juice, a combination of kale, cucumbers, and green apples. Kale, a superfood, comes packed with fiber that aids digestion and promotes a sense of fullness. Cucumbers, on the other hand, are low in calories but high in water and soluble fiber, making them ideal for weight loss. Green apples bring a sweet and sour twist, adding a dose of vitamin C and antioxidants to the mix. Then there's the carrot and ginger juice. Carrots offer a wealth of vitamins A, K1, and B6, and are also a good source of potassium and biotin. Ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, aids in digestion and can speed up the metabolism, encouraging your body to burn more calories. Next on our list is the beetroot and lemon juice. Beetroot is a powerhouse of fiber and vitamins, and it helps in detoxifying the body. Lemon, a rich source of vitamin C, aids digestion and boosts the immune system. Fourth, we have the watermelon and mint juice. Watermelon, a deliciously hydrating fruit, is low in calories and high in vitamins A and C. Mint, known for its digestive benefits, also adds a refreshing twist to this summery drink. Our fifth juice is the pineapple and celery concoction. Pineapple, loaded with bromelain, aids in digestion and helps in reducing bloating. Celery, a low-calorie food, is high in fiber and water content, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Moving on, we have the orange and flaxseed juice. Oranges, packed with vitamin C, help in burning fat, while flax seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, all of which help in weight loss. Next up is spinach and apple juice. Spinach, high in iron and calcium, is a great low-calorie choice, while apples add a sweet crunch and are high in dietary fiber. Our eighth juice is the cucumber and kiwi juice. Kiwi, high in vitamins C and E, aids in digestion and boosts immunity, while we've already discussed the benefits of cucumber. Ninth on our list is the pomegranate and beetroot juice. Pomegranate, rich in antioxidants, aids in digestion and helps in detoxifying the body. Finally, we have the grapefruit and chia seed juice. Grapefruit, known for its fat-burning properties, is high in vitamins A and C, while chia seeds add a dose of protein and fiber. So there you have it, 10 powerful juices that could kickstart your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but about sustainable, healthy changes. Drink these in moderation, incorporate them into a balanced diet, and watch the magic happen. Here's to a healthier, happier you. And that's it for our top 10 power drinks for weight loss. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these weight loss juices do you feel most excited to try? Is it the fat-burning grapefruit and chia seed juice, or the detoxifying beetroot and lemon juice, or perhaps the refreshing watermelon and mint juice? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who could benefit from these juice recipes. Your support is what keeps us going and allows us to continue providing you with this kind of content. And of course, if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and join our community of health enthusiasts. We have plenty more juicy topics to explore together, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.